Have you ever felt like your body is trying to tell you something? Maybe you're recovering from an illness, healing from an injury, or just feeling drained, inflamed, and out of sync. Here's something powerful to remember. Your body wants to heal, and the foods you eat can either slow that process or supercharge it. In today's video, we're diving deep into the power of healing foods, what to eat when your body is calling for recovery, repair, and renewal. Because true healing doesn't start in a pharmacy, it starts in your kitchen. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have used food not just to survive but to heal. The ancient Greek physician Hippocrates once said, "Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food." He was onto something. Modern science now confirms that certain foods contain compounds that fight inflammation, support the immune system, rebuild tissue, and restore gut health, all crucial for healing. But in today's fast-paced world, where processed foods dominate, we often forget that every bite is a signal to the body, a signal to fight disease or fuel recovery. So let's explore 10 of the most powerful healing foods and how to use them in your daily life. Bone broth isn't just trendy, it's therapeutic. It's packed with collagen, gelatin, amino acids like glycine and proline, and essential minerals. This ancient elixir soothes the digestive tract, strengthens joints, boosts skin health, and supports tissue repair. So you can sip it warm, use it as a soup base, or even add it to your cooking. It's especially helpful after surgery or when you're healing from leaky gut or dealing with autoimmune flares. Think spinach, kale, collards, and chard. These greens are super nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory, and high in chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier. They help flush out toxins, alkalize your body, and deliver vitamins A, C, and K, which are like key players in immune and cellular function. Try adding them raw to smoothies or sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a healing side dish. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. These little powerhouses are just bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins. They help protect your cells from oxidative stress, support brain health, and honestly, give your immunity a real boost. A cup a day can go a long way. Toss them into oatmeal, smoothies, or just enjoy as a snack. Wild-caught salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce chronic inflammation, improve mood, and support skin and brain healing. Aim for 2-3 servings a week, or consider a high-quality fish oil supplement if needed. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt feed your gut's good bacteria. And since over 70% of your immune system resides in the gut, this is critical for recovery. Start slow. Just a spoonful of sauerkraut or a few sips of kefir can gently shift your microbiome in the right direction. So start slow. Just a spoonful of sauerkraut or maybe a few sips of kefir can gently shift your microbiome in the right direction. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound with proven benefits for pain, joint health, and even mood. But here's the trick. Curcumin is best observed when paired with black pepper and fat. Make golden milk, add it to curries, or stir into soups to reap the benefits. These two humble ingredients are packed with sulfur compounds that detox the liver, fight infections, and support circulation. Use them daily, raw or cooked. They not only boost healing, but honestly add some serious flavor to your meals. These root veggies are rich in complex carbs and beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. They're easy to digest, soothing to the gut, and help rebuild energy, perfect during recovery or fatigue. You can roast them, mash them, or even turn them into healing soups. Flax, chia, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. These nutrients support hormonal balance, brain repair, and tissue regeneration. Sprinkle them on salads, blend into smoothies, or make your own nut butter. Green tea is rich in catechins, which are anti-inflammatory and support detoxification. It's gentle, energizing, and calming all at once. Sip daily for subtle but steady benefits. Healing through food doesn't have to be complicated. Start with 1 or 2 changes, maybe a daily cup of bone broth or swapping processed snacks for fruit and nuts. Consistency matters more than perfection. And listen to your body. It knows what it needs. The food you eat is the foundation of your health, and when you choose foods that nourish and restore, you're telling your body, I'm ready to heal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural healing tips. And tell me in the comments, what healing food has made the biggest difference in your journey? Until next time, eat well, live whole, and heal deeply.